Hello, Jenkins here. Allow me to personally thank you for your interest in our plugin. Briefly, what the Spiffy Icons plugin allows you to do is to add cool icons directly to your posts or your page of your WordPress-powered site, as you can see on this page right here. You can even change the colors as well as the sizes of the icons. So let's take a look at how this works, shall we? Being the artificial intelligent boffin that I am, I have already installed the plugin right here on this site. You would install it just like you would any other plugin. There's nothing fancy about this installation at all. Then, click the Activate button. Once activated, it is the simplest plugin to use because there are no settings to set up beforehand. All you need to do is to go to Posts and either create a new post or edit an existing post. The same applies to your pages. In this example, I have already created a post that I would like to add icons to. Firstly, click on the smiley face icon right here. Then we will choose which icon set we would like to use. Included with the plugins are 4 icon sets, and each of them, with the exception of MediaCons, have a couple of 100 icons in them, so you have plenty of options to choose from. If you have never seen these icons before, not to worry. Go ahead and click on one of them and see if you like the designs of the icons presented. If it is not to your liking, try one of the other sets on offer. Variety. I am going to go ahead and select everything so that you can see what icons are available. Isn't this nice? Meteorcons. These are typicons which offer a more rounded design. And last but not least, the very popular Font Awesome, which is the largest icon set included in this plugin. We have plenty of options to choose from. Now that we have activated the icon set we would like to use, let's waste no time. We now need to plan where we are going to place these icons. Let's place one right here. Let's also make this a heading. Heading 2, and the icon should go right before this text here. I am going to put a space before it. Now let's click the smiley face icon again and select an icon to illustrate our heading. Get a plan and click on that. The icon is automatically the same font size as your heading. When we update the post and view it, let's open it in another screen since we will be returning to it. You will see that the icon is exactly the same size as the header. Not having to resize it makes life a whole lot more bearable. Assuming we would like to place an icon here, for example, we would need to put a space before it first. This is to ensure that WordPress won't delete the icon because there is no text behind it. Then we click on the smiley icon box again. This time, let's select an icon size. We can make it really large, and let's change the color, shall we? I think Stark would approve of red. For illustration purposes, I have used a different set and I have clicked on this cloud. You will notice that the icon is now larger. I would also like to center align it, and I can accomplish this by using the built-in WordPress editor functions. Always remember to save your post. Now let's go back to the post page and refresh it. As you can see, the icon is right here, centralized and enlarged, and of course the color has also been changed according to our settings. This makes your content visually interesting, fun to read, and gives your site a Stark boost. As Stark would say, let's wrap it, let's put a bow on it, and let's call it a done deal. I'll see you on the inside.